Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. Welcome to Roma Arts. Hi Roma Ramnani. I'm going to teach you today interchangeable specialty brushes. One of that I'll show you. That is a rake brush. I'll show you. So the material required is a rake brush. I've taken yellow in the brush. Take little orange with it, and you can give a calligraphic effect like liney effect. You can give a calligraphic effect. If you take if your color is too much in the brush, it won't come. So color should be very limited, and you can create designs out of it, like the lininess. So it's very easy to give a liney effect with this brush. You can go on changing it. The rake brush, you can just dab, you can give a liney effect, both is possible, and now I am giving a liney effect. I have taken two colors. You can take from both the sides, and for increasing the pot, increase like 1 centimeter from left and 1 centimeter from right, and go on increasing. And when you come at the center point of the pot, so that will be the same 3 times. The brush will go same, and after that start decreasing like 1 centimeter from left and 1 centimeter from right. Start decreasing the stroke till the end, and then increase, and here you will get a liney effect. It's a rake brush. Brush also. First we'll start with the round brush. I have taken blue. The colors using is watercolor, artist watercolor. You may have a look. So we'll make a peacock feather out of it, and the speciality of this rake brush is that it has a liney effect, and it is having a gap in between, so it automatically the brush will give a liney effect. After applying blue, wash the brush and take yellow. If the blue is getting mixed, it's okay, because we have to give a blue effect. Greeny effect comes with the blue mixing. we have completed with this round brush. Now we'll take the rake brush. I have taken green and the brush is giving a liney effect.